Hi, welcome guys, and today we're going to talk about what is a Bitcoin ETF. Well, an ETF is a fund traded on stock exchange like stocks, offering diversified investment at low cost. Buy an ETF, it's like a fund that holds your wanted asset like Bitcoin in this case. You can buy it in any major stockbroker as any stock. What do you have to do now? Check for the most volume list, the liquid funds, so you can get in and out easily of that stock ETF. Are real bitcoins being held there? What if something extreme like a terrorist attack happens? Do I get my bitcoin back or just cash? Read the PDF files, read the prospectus if you want for all the risk disclosure. Who are the custodians? Their reputation. Check for expense ratios per year, and check the description of this video for the ETF screener database. So let's go here to this screener. You go to etfdb/screener, and then you go to currency and you go to cryptocurrency. This is the most important ETF screener. You will get all the data for free here, and you find here all the Bitcoin ETFs. Click on them, but this is the most important tab, that you check the annual expense ratio so you know the cost that they will take in from your money on your trading account. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this update, and don't forget to check for all the risks. Instead of holding, you have the pros and cons of holding Bitcoin by yourself or holding Bitcoin through an ETF. So read all this stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this update. Bye bye.